Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, this is part 5 of building that. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. And yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so we left off here, and let's see. Okay, so actually, I think we left off here, page 71. I mean, not 71. Page 59. Now we're on 60. And okay, so for this one, we're going to need one of these. And what these at? This. These. Okay. First of all, oh God, sorry. All right. So this goes in front like that, and then this goes right in the middle like that. Next, let's see here. We need one black tile and tile. I don't even know what these called. But like a 1x2, and then we need a 1x3 of this, and then we need 2 of these. I still don't know what these are called. Anyways, all right, so I think we put one here like that, and then we have it actually, let's put this black part in first. I think that goes right dead center in the middle. Then we place these. Yeah, pretty much on that one. Now we're on page 62, and we need a clear piece like this in the steering wheel, and we just put that together, put it right here, I guess. Like that. It may look different for y'all because it's switched up, but it's actually just think of it the opposite, because what it'll look like for you guys, the steering wheel will be on this side and stuff, and the NOS will be on this side. It's gonna be different, so yeah. My dog is laying down in my room, and she's doing something. Anyways, we need one of these and another one of those 1x2 clear blocks, and now my dog's doing something, so I'll be right back. All right, we're back. What the heck?
Someone is at the Mercury CW024 wired doorbell.
Okay. BRB again. Alright, I'm back. It's nothing. Anyways, we're going to take 13 number 13 sticker, and we're going to put this together like this. Then number 13 sticker, 13 there. Then we're gonna put this on. This is gonna be a pain. Oh, no, I think that's pretty perfect. And then that'll be it for that. And let's wait for the next part.